name is John Ray. I work for Telecom. I'm the desktop deployment engineer.
So my name is Mike Vrabel. I am a managing consultant at Catapult Systems.
My name is Brian Hastert. I work for Telecom. I'm the Senior Manager of Infrastructure Support. We were really taxed trying to manage our previous application virtualization product. The reason it was difficult is because we had to manage, there was no centralized management. We had to deploy files individually or push packages individually and manage them almost on a case-by-case basis.
A couple of key aspects of the project that were above and beyond stated objectives was, number one, not just the technical portion of it, but making sure that when I left, the guys understood how all this technology worked and could function in an expedited manner for the next 3 to 6 months. I wanted to leave here after the project as if it was a very mature environment that's been around for a couple of years.
Really with Catapult, they were actually a recommendation from Microsoft as a preferred partner, and we had them come in and do a little bit of a demonstration of the product, and once we saw that they were very well versed in the application virtualization product, we decided to choose them as our partner.
Catapult Systems had a real in-depth knowledge of application virtualization, came in and helped us set up AppV and MedV, and really helped jumpstart our deployment of these technologies in our environment.
One of the challenges that we've had in the past was when we replace an asset, you had to sequentially install multiple applications over a period of time, and it could take up to 2 to 3 hours, like I said. In the case of application virtualization, you could image a computer, hand it to the user, and have them log in, and they could have all of their applications. Some of our users use 30 to 40 applications, and these were available to them immediately upon login. And this saved us 2.5 to 3 hours per instance.
AppV has really helped us with our Windows 7 installation or deployment by getting past or helping us get past some of the compatibility issues that we've had with internal applications here at Telecom.
I think one of the key benefits Microsoft brings to the table versus their competitors, beyond just the maturity of the product, it's also the community that supports this application. So Microsoft has been fully behind application virtualization and AppV, not only having it coming from running it from an IIS perspective, but integrating it with that CCM. So I think that's, when you talk about Microsoft and its competitors, it's hard, you can't underestimate the benefit of the support community behind the product.
So I think the one thing that has really benefited us was the ability to replace hardware quickly in a couple different scenarios. One, we can do a PC replacement very quickly. It used to take several hours to lay down an image and then also deploy all the applications to that PC before it was ready for the end user. Now we can just lay down an image, and the time it takes to lay down an image, a user can log in and then all of their applications are already deployed on the PC.
There's been a huge amount of stress reduction for our desktop support team. Many of them have come to me and said, we love AppV because it has saved us hours and hours of time. They're able to get users back up and working within 30 minutes, whereas previously it was up to 3 hours. I think Catapult is a great company to have help with application virtualization implementation, just because of their vast knowledge of the subject and being one of the first companies to be assisting with AppV in production. They really helped us get up and running quickly and without any trouble at all.